Welcome to the Scene Creation feature in Instant Author. This tool allows you to add detailed scenes to your book, providing structure and depth to your writing. Let's walk through how to add a scene step by step. To get started, simply click the Add Scene button. This will open up a new window where you can enter all the details for your scene. Start by entering the title of your scene. This is the first thing that helps you identify the scene in your outline or project. Next, add a brief description of the scene. This is where you can outline the key events or mood of the scene to guide your writing. Choose the scene type from the drop-down menu. You can select from action, dialogue, exposition, or other, depending on the nature of the scene you're writing. Now, enter the actual content of the scene. This is where you'll write the details of the scene itself, including what happens and how it moves your story forward. Tags are a great way to categorize your scene. You can add tags like fight, romance, or cliffhanger to easily search and organize your scenes later. Next, you can add characters to the scene. Simply add the character name from your characters list, and they will be associated with this scene. This helps keep track of who's involved. If you have any special notes or instructions, such as key emotions or settings, you can add them in the Additional Notes field to keep them in mind while writing. You can set a word count target for your scene. This helps keep your writing on track, whether you're aiming for a brief interaction or a detailed, action-packed chapter. Once you've filled in all the details, click Create Scene to save and add it to your project. And there you have it. You've successfully added a scene to your book. Whether it's action, dialogue, or exposition, you can now start developing your story in more detail with each scene you create. Keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to make your writing adventure even smoother. Stay inspired, keep writing, and never stop creating your next masterpiece.